If you're running a small business and still doing everything manually, you are wasting at least 10 to 20 hours every week. In 2026, smart businesses don't work harder. They automate.
Today, I'll show you 5 powerful AI tools that can reduce workload, increase profit, and help you scale faster, even if you're just starting. Let's begin.
The first tool is ChatGPT by OpenAI. This tool can write product descriptions, generate marketing emails, create social media posts, answer customer support queries, build sales funnels. Example: if you run an online store, instead of spending hours writing content, you can generate high-converting product descriptions in seconds. It's like having a virtual marketing assistant 24/7. Next is Zapier. Zapier connects your apps together. For example, when someone fills out a contact form, they automatically receive a welcome email. Their info is added to your CRM. Your team gets notified. All automatically. No coding required. This can easily save 10+ hours per week. If you run an e-commerce store, Shopify has built-in AI features. You can auto-generate product descriptions, optimize pricing, analyze customer behavior, predict sales trends. Instead of guessing what will sell, you use data powered by AI. HubSpot helps automate your marketing and customer relationships. You can automate email campaigns, score leads, personalize messages, track performance. Imagine sending personalized emails to thousands of customers automatically. That's scale. Video marketing is dominating. With Pictory, you can turn blog posts into professional videos automatically. No camera, no editing team, no expensive equipment. Just upload a script and it creates the video. Perfect for content marketing. Final message: if you're not using AI automation in 2026, you're already behind. Start small. Automate one task, then scale. Subscribe for more AI automation strategies every week. See you in the next video.